Hi there, welcome to my course. I would like to show you how to create a great 1-hour walking tour and deliver it first to some friends and families and then to paying customers around your hometown. I'm assuming that you already have an enthusiasm for where you live, and the prior knowledge you will need is a positive outlook that can communicate to a group, and also some funny stories and some factual information about where you live. On the course, I'm going to teach you in 5 modules how to get the information that you need, how to create a great tour that will engage, entertain and educate visitors so they feel as positive and enthusiastic about your hometown as you do. And I'm going to offer you a great way to connect with other people who will love to know about the history that you've got to share too. So all you need is a passion for where you live and the curiosity that wants to find out a little bit more. The benefits of doing a walking tour around your hometown is that you yourself will find out a lot more of the exciting things that can be done there, but it also can be a nice part-time earner, some income to you with the paying visitors who would like to do your tour. And one of the unique factors of my course is it will show you a little twist how you can make the tour your own and make it stand out and be unique. And that way it will attract the right people to you. Can't wait to see you on the other side. See you there.